Hello, I'm Tim Cobb and I'm appearing for String Virtuoso, and I'm going to speak to you today about Schubert Arpeggione Sonata. I will try to offer some tips and some insights, some of the things that I do when I'm practicing the piece, some of the things that I think might be helpful. To start with, just the introduction alone, I can't think how much time I've spent on the first three notes. If you're working on the piece, you know what I mean. It's to just get the right balance of bow speed and vibrato and a little bit of inflection, but not too much. Even that eighth note. Do we put a little portato on it like that, or should we play just kind of a straight legato? I would say it's somewhere in between. Just a hint of inflection. And I've noticed many students forget the rest here. Do we want a little hint of portamento here? Which you can achieve by dragging your thumb just a little bit, not too much. It's really not my intention to play the entire piece and perform it. You can see that on the performance video. So in that introduction, some more things to look out for. I try to achieve a very long phrase by sort of gradually terracing up the dynamic until we're here. So that's sort of a high point. And that sort of ends the first part, leaves us here. Another thing that comes up in this introduction is a very interesting feeling that you can experiment with, and that is phrasing sort of to the third beat. 1, 2, and 3. Very interesting. And we feel it again here. So when I'm playing that, I'm actually thinking to 3 a little bit. I want to also suggest very light bow, a little bit fast, light bow pressure, but very sort of intense left hand. You want to get a little vibrato in here. Arching, very important. Try to get the best hand position you can. I recommend a little bit of articulation to the side, off the notes. When I do that, it takes so much pressure off my bow. I just trust that I'm going to be able to kind of spit that note out a little bit by using this trick. And I would close that G rather than play. It's very inviting to do that, but it honestly doesn't sound so well. Fortunately, you have the harmonic to help you to get back. There again to 3. And one of the nice things about this piece, which I really enjoy, is the fact that it's sort of half classical and half romantic. So now you get to kind of dig in and you can almost, well, it happens all the way through the piece actually. You can kind of belt it out a little bit and still maintain this sort of classical feeling. Even to play a big note on the bottom like that.